What's up, you guys? We're making a McDonald's Big Mac and a Taco Bell Crunchwrap. Recently made this for a party and it was by far the most popular item. So we're going to start with some ground beef and roll it into meatballs. Roll them all out, put them on a tray, and then we'll set this aside. Once that's done, grab one onion, slice that up. I'm going to cook these down until they're nice and brown. I want to caramelize these a bit. It's going to add a sweetness to the Big Mac Crunchwrap. Once those are cut, add them to a pan, medium-high heat, a little bit of olive oil. I want to cook these pretty slow. We don't want to burn them. Season with some salt, a little bit of pepper. After a few minutes, onions are ready to go, golden brown. We can take these off the heat, set them aside. And then we can cook our beef. We want to get a pan nice and hot, add some olive oil. We want to get this to just to the point where it's smoking. We want to make sure the pan is hot. We want to get a sear on the meat. Add one of the meatballs in there, make sure it's not sticking. Grab a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to smash them down a bit. Season it up with a little salt, touch of pepper. Just let the meat do its thing, 2-3 minutes. Give it a flip. Same thing on the other side, a couple of minutes till it's cooked. Don't forget to season, a little more salt, and then just repeat the process with the rest of the meatballs. Then we're going to grab a burrito-sized tortilla here and start assembling this Big Mac Crunchwrap. Got some of that special sauce, homemade special sauce, put that in the middle. Some shredded lettuce. And then on top of that, going to add 2 beef patties. A couple of slices of cheese on that. Spoonful of our caramelized onions. And then once that's on there, we're going to add some crunchy tortilla chips to give it that crunch. Put a tortilla on top of that, push it down a bit, and then just fold everything in there. Make sure you fold it well so it doesn't come apart. Add it to a non-stick pan over medium heat until it's nice and browned. A couple of minutes, give it a flip. And these are ready to cut into. McDonald's Big Mac and the Taco Bell Crunchwrap. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.